Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing this folk art inspired nail art with you. So guys, this particular style of painting is called Madhubani style or Mithila style of painting. It is from state of Bihar in India, and I took some inspiration from different images I found on Google. Wherever I found the source, I have linked in the description box below. So today I'm sharing with you this particular nail art, and to create this design I have used gel paints from Yayoge. So guys, let me first show you all the gel paints I have used. These are 4 gel paints which I got from Yayoge for review, and these are purple, green, yellow and magenta colors. And you can use these gel paints like normal gel polish also. So yeah, let me show you how it works. So my tip is ready, and also I'm going to use this gel pen. It is called Unipin Fine Line, and it is a very good tool to create a nail art. And yeah, I like this a lot. I have purchased this pen from my local stationery shop, but I think you can get it online as well. So if I find the link, I will put it in the description box below. And as you can see here, I am just drawing the face of the bride, referring the painting which I showed earlier. And if you make any mistake, you can very easily fix it. Just take a little bit of rubbing alcohol and erase the part which you want to redo, and you are good to go. So again, you can see me continuing with the drawing. I will make full drawing with the pen only, and after I finish drawing, I will start coloring using the gel paints from Yayoge. So guys, once I finished drawing, I started painting, and as you can see, I have used yellow gel paint first. This one is my favorite from the lot because it is very pigmented. It just need one coat to get the full opacity, and also the consistency is very nice. So I'm very happy with the yellow color. And now you can see that I am using another color. This is Magenta Gel color. This is a very pretty color, but it is not as opaque as the yellow one. So to make it more opaque, I will be doing 2 coats, and I will cure 30 seconds between each coat, and then I'll show you the final result. So guys, this is 2 coats of magenta color, and this is really a pretty pink color. Now moving on to the next color, which is purple, and as you can see, it's very sheer. Even I was very surprised because in bottle it looked quite dark, as you can see. So I thought it would be very opaque. So if you want to really get that opacity, you might need to go for 3 to 4 coats of this color, which will be time consuming. If you just want this light purplish color, it is fine, but if you really want to go for that dark color, you should apply 3 to 4 coats. So I thought I'll go with 1 coat only and let it be light purple. So here you can see me using green color, and if you compare the opacity of this one, it is comparable to the magenta one. It is quite opaque, but not as opaque as yellow. So overall I'm happy with the green color. So once I'm finished with basic drawing and coloring, I will be adding more details to my painting. In Madhubani paintings, a lot of bright colors are used, also different geometrical patterns are made, also pictures of birds, flowers, animals, are made. So I just took inspiration from different elements of Madhubani painting to create my nail art. So yeah, keep watching and enjoy. And here I'm almost at the end of my nail design, and I just wanted to let you know that I was curing my nail in between. So whenever you finish painting with one gel, cure it in between for about 10 to 30 seconds. And when everything is finished, I am using this top coat. This is a no wipe top coat from Born Pretty store to seal my design. Since I used a gel pen to draw, I am being very careful while applying top coat so that I don't smudge. I have used a generous amount of top coat and using a light feathery touch. Now I am going to cure it for 1 minute and I'll show you the final result. So guys, this is the final result using all these 4 gel paints from Yayoge. Let me know if you liked it. And I created other nails as well, as you can see here, and all the nails are created using the same product, all these 4 gel paints. Overall, I'm very happy with these gel paints, and if you are interested in purchasing these, you can find the link of all these colors in the description box below. And if you want to see how I created other nails, then you can follow me on Instagram @StyleThoseNails, where I will be posting step-by-step tutorial of all these 4 nails. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be back with a new video very soon. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a great day. Bye.